Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your gift card on Circle K. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in circlek.com/fleet-gift-cards and then press enter. This will now take you into the gift card as well as fleet card website for Circle K. Now click on the check balance of CK gift card option and you will be taken into the card page. Just enter your 19-digit card number within the given box and then enter the PIN that you would like to set. Finally, click on the checkbox to verify your identity and then click on the submit button. And now your gift card on Circle K will be activated right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your gift card on Circle K. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.